this video I'm gonna install and review 3 products that I think I'm gonna improve our RV life, especially in an older RV, but I don't know if the newer RVs has these same things. The first product, a new shower faucet. So in a previous video you saw that we found a leak on the shower faucet. So we have a really old one, so I decided just to upgrade it to a new one. And this one has a thermostat, so technically it's gonna be easier to heat up the water and keep it at the same temperature. Right. So this is it. It's heavy. I hope the RV can take the weight. So this is the other one. I had to remove it, and this is like plastic, so I'm a bit worried about the weight. I'm going to unplug the shower head. Now this plastic. Alright. Oh, wow, they look rough. Okay, shit. Alright. They are looking good. So before I'm gonna connect it to the wall, I'm going to turn on the water and see if this works. Okay, moment of truth. I connected the water, and now let's see if it works. Water is running. Now I don't feel or see any leaks. So that's good. Okay, got the right one now. Alright, I have the silicone. Now it's time to put the sealant in a few spots because I think I have other leaks, but whatever, let's do this. Alright, so that's it. I installed that thing, put a bunch of sealant. Now, oof, it looks terrible, but it's fine. So it works now. And it doesn't seem to be leaking, so okay. Next product. And this is the second product. It has a level sensor, so we can measure how much the gray tank has been filled. The sensor already, that comes with RV, they're not working. So I saw someone recommended this ultrasonic or something like that. I'm gonna go clean the bottom of the tank. Okay, this is my working area. I gotta get under. So this is where I have to install it. I'm gonna clean this area, and I'm gonna put it here, I think. Yeah, I think here. Pretty clean. I clean the area, so. And that's how it looks in the tank. It's pretty good there. Well, I'm annoyed. Yeah, the sensor doesn't need to be reading it correctly. It says 68%, which I already empty, so that's not correct. Seems to be better now. I just changed some settings and it's showing 28%, which I will have to empty it completely. I mean, I did run a little bit of water, but I don't think I fill it up 28%, but oh well. I'll wait. Alright, okay, so the next product, the third product, is a backup camera. Yeah, so I got a backup camera here, and this one is magnetic and wireless, so I don't have to connect any cables in the back. I have a camera by hole. I don't know what cable that is. I don't want to have to get any power cable or anything, obviously. It comes with this magnetic, a metal plate. And I tested the magnets, and super strong, so I think you'll be safe with all the bounciness. But now I need to figure out if I need to drill new holes in the back, or I can reuse the only 2, so I don't know. All right, let's see what I have in the back there and remove the old camera. That's the camera. I'm gonna go up and remove it. I've been on the roof for a while, but I think I finally figured it out. I drill some holes. Now I need to put it there. The camera. Let's see if it works. Alright, I just installed the front. So I put it where the other one was. There's the antenna, so I just, whatever, there's a little bit of a gap. But now you turn it on and it connects to the camera. And it's charging in the room, so that's why it looks like not the back. But yeah, that's it. I don't know if it's charging. Alright, it's been 24 hours since I installed all the things. We just got done with the workout, so perfect time to test the shower and the tank level measurement device. Yesterday, after waiting for a few hours, maybe because I don't know, those things that I put dry out or something, and I changed a few settings, it started getting like a more accurate reading, at least in my opinion. So now it's showing 22%, and then before taking a shower. So now I'll take a shower and see if it changes. And also I installed the camera. It was more difficult than I expected. I have to drill holes and I'm hoping they're gonna hold because the camera is heavy, and also with all the bouncing, I hope it stays. But you can see the signal of the camera. I don't know why it shows like if it's charging. It's not. Because it has solar panels. The camera has solar panels, so I guess that's why it shows like it's charging. Oh, that's awesome. So yeah, it's showing great. I think these lines are actually pretty accurate because here's the motorcycle, and yeah, we should not go in that line. So that's pretty good. I'll update after our trip. We're gonna drive today. We're gonna drive like an hour through some curvy roads to the other park. We'll see. Hopefully I don't lose it in the road. Yeah, now I'm gonna go test the shower. Let's see. So here's the shower. Let me lower this just so we don't get spray. Okay. So this is to turn it on. And then apparently this is for the temperature. So, oh yeah, okay. That should be 100 degrees. And if you want it hotter, then, oh yeah, okay. Nice. Perfect. Success. That's working correctly. Alright, so now I'll take a shower and update on the measurement in the tank. Let's see how it's working. Alright, we took a shower and it was excellent. Alex told me as well that was the best RV shower that we ever taken. For me and for her, it was excellent. The temperature, just the same. I love that shower. 100% worth it. I will put the links in the description of all these products. So far, they're really good. Like, I'm checking the tank app and now it's showing 35% after me and Alex took a shower. So it was like 22%. Makes sense. the next test is to empty it, which I have to do before we leave. Once I empty it, well, hopefully this is 0%. Definitely it's detecting something. I think with the amount of water we use, dishes and showers, I think it's pretty accurate. Also, we're leaning that way, so we might have a little bit more space than what it's saying here. Yeah, so now I just have to empty the tank and then see if a 0%. Alright, I just got finished emptying the tanks, and good news, the sensor is working perfectly. It detects that the tank is completely empty, so success. 2 out of 3 so far. The camera, we'll see how it does in this trip. Hopefully we don't lose it. It's heavy. We'll see how it does in this trip. It's just less than an hour, and then how it helps us park and backing up, so we'll see. All right, the camera survived the ride. Now we're gonna use it to back up into our side. I'm gonna try to do both.
All right, I think you can start turning now, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, go to the left.
Nice. All right.
You get shaved most of the day. Good driving, girl.
All right.
Thank you so much for paying me.
Oh, no problem. No problem. The camera was a success. So much better to do it with the camera. Oh, I'm coming. You can see they're moving. There was someone here, so they're moving their stuff. But yeah, perfect. Stay in place. It worked great. All right, so that's it. Every item worked perfectly. The camera is a game changer. It was so easy, so great to have a camera. It was awesome. And it's still there. Seems pretty strong. Still attached. Maybe I should go check that it's pretty attached there. Let me just go check. Yes. All right. All good. Camera is good. I'm very satisfied with all of the items. So far I recommend if something happens, I'll post about it, and yeah. Oh well. Till next time.